Ever wondered who controls the electric car revolution? Imagine a world dominated by electric vehicles, a future where gas stations become relics of the past. One company, Tesla, stands at the forefront of this revolution. But who's behind the wheel of this massive enterprise? Is it a board of directors, a consortium of investors, or perhaps the enigmatic Elon Musk himself? The answer, like most things in the world of finance, is a little more nuanced. While Elon Musk is undeniably a central figure, Tesla's ownership structure is a fascinating mix of individual and institutional players. So, buckle up, gearheads and tech enthusiasts, because we're diving deep into the world of Tesla's shareholders. Elon Musk, the big kahuna, but not the only one. Let's not beat around the bush. Elon Musk is Tesla's largest individual shareholder. As of May 2024, he holds a whopping 20.5% of the company's outstanding stock, translating to roughly 715 million shares. That's a stake worth tens of billions of dollars, solidifying his position as a major influencer in Tesla's future. Here's the interesting part, this wasn't always the case. Back in 2022, Musk's ownership hovered around 13%. So, what caused this significant jump? There are two main factors. Firstly, Tesla, like many companies, grants stock options to its executives as a form of compensation. As Tesla's stock price has risen over the years, these options have become increasingly valuable, boosting Musk's overall stake. Secondly, in May 2024, news broke that Musk had quietly purchased additional shares in the open market, further increasing his ownership. However, it's important to remember that a significant portion of Musk's shares are pledged as collateral for personal loans. This means that if the value of Tesla stock falls dramatically, he could be forced to sell some of his holdings to meet his financial obligations. The institutional investors, balancing act on Wall Street. Elon Musk may be the face of Tesla, but he's not the only one with a say in the company's direction. Institutional investors, like asset management giants, play a crucial role. These companies pool the money of millions of investors and invest it in various stocks, including Tesla. The two biggest institutional shareholders in Tesla are Vanguard and BlackRock. As of June 2024, Vanguard holds roughly 7% of Tesla's stock, while BlackRock sits at around 5.8%. These behemoths represent a powerful voting bloc, and their decisions can significantly impact company policies. The rest of the ownership pie, a slice for everyone else. While Elon Musk and the big institutions are the major players, they don't own Tesla entirely. Retail investors, the everyday folks who invest their hard-earned money in the stock market, also hold a portion of the company. Collectively, these individual investors own less than 1% of Tesla, but their presence highlights the democratization of the stock market. So, who really controls Tesla? This is where things get interesting. While Elon Musk holds a significant stake and has undeniable influence, Tesla is ultimately a publicly traded company. This means that any shareholder, big or small, has the right to vote on company decisions during shareholder meetings. The reality is, control lies in a delicate balance. Musk, with his large stake and public persona, wields considerable power. However, the institutional investors have significant voting power as well. Ultimately, the future of Tesla will be shaped by the combined influence of these major players, along with the collective voice of its smaller shareholders. The future of Tesla, a ride we're all on. As Tesla continues to disrupt the automotive industry, the question of ownership will undoubtedly remain a point of discussion. Will Elon Musk maintain his dominant position? Will institutional investors exert greater control? Or will a new player emerge on the scene? Only time will tell. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.